How to recharge Netflix. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can recharge Netflix. When you sign into Netflix, you have to choose a plan that meets your need and your budget. As a Netflix member, you are charged once a month on the date you signed up. There are several options to pay for Netflix, such as credit and debit card, virtual cards, prepaid cards such as Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and also PayPal. Now, normally your Netflix account is auto renewable, which means that if you have set up the correct payment method, Netflix is going to auto renew. You do not have to pay every month. The balance is automatically going to be deducted in your Netflix account. So, if you want to check if the payment method is entered correctly or not, you want to head over to netflix.com or open the Netflix app on your device. Then tap on the sign in option, enter your email or mobile number, enter your password, and tap on the sign in option. Once you have signed in, you want to head over to your account. There, you can find your next billing date. If your payment method has been added correctly, then on that billing date, your balance is going to be automatically deducted. If the payment method is not set up, you want to set up your payment method. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.